How IT professionals should start learning AI. Let's understand this by using this step by step roadmap. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it is a present day necessity for IT professionals across all domains. The rapid adoption of AI technologies such as machine learning, generative AI, large language models is transforming industries and creating new opportunities for innovations. For IT professionals, learning AI is not just about staying relevant. It is about gaining a competitive edge in market that is increasing values, automation, predictive analysis, and intelligent systems. This roadmap is designed to help IT professionals understand where to start, what skill to prioritize, and how to progress from foundational knowledge to advanced AI applications. The agenda of this presentation includes the following sections: why AI is critical for IT professionals today, mapping skills by role, developers, data engineers, DevOps, security, and architect, a step by step roadmap covering foundations, data essential, ML core, ML ops, generative AI, and governance. Why AI now? Why should learn it? Let's understand it. AI is projected to add trillions of dollars to global economy annually, with generative AI alone contributing between 2.6 trillion and 4.4 trillion across multiple industries. The technology is reshaping business functions such as customer operations, marketing, software engineering, and research and development. For IT professionals, this means that AI skills are becoming essential for driving innovation and efficiency. By learning AI now, IT professionals can position themselves as strategic contributors to digital transformation initiative, ensuring long-term career growth and relevance. This roadmap is designed for IT professionals across multiple roles: developers who want to integrate AI features, data engineers responsible for building feature pipeline, managing vector stores, and ensuring data quality, DevOps and SREs teams tasked with deploying and monitoring AI model in production, security and compliance specialists who need to address privacy and governance challenges in AI systems, and solution architect who design scalable AI platform. So let's understand first step in learning AI is building strong foundation. This includes mastering Python programming, which is required for AI development, and understanding essential mathematics concepts such as stats, linear algebra, and optimization. IT professionals should also become comfortable with Linux and version control systems like Git. These skills form the backbone of AI workflow, enabling you to manage code, environment, and dependencies efficiently. Additionally, understanding which with the cloud platforms such as Azure, AWS, GCP is crucial for deploying AI solution at scale. Data is fuel for AI system, making data engineering skill is very important. Learn SQL for querying and managing structural data, and explore a modern file format like Parakeet and Delta for efficient storage. Understand the concept of uh, feature stores, which ensure consistency between training and serving environment, and study tools like Feast and managing features. Once you have a solid foundation in data skills, move on to the core machine learning concept. Start with classical algorithm using libraries like scikit-learn for tasks such as classification and regression. Learn how to evaluate models using metrics like accuracy and recall, and practice cross validation technique. ML Ops bridge the gap between model deployment and production deployment. Learn how to implement CI/CD pipeline for machine learning models. Manage versioning and platform safe rollout using strategies like blue green or canary deployments. Generative AI represents the cutting edge of AI innovation. Learn how to work with large language model. Explore Azure OpenAI service for deploying GPT models with enterprise grade security and compliance. Responsible AI is critical component of any AI strategy. IT professional must understand ethical principles such as fairness, transparency, and accountability. Implement governance framework that include risk assessment, bias detection, and compliance with regulation. AI is transforming the IT landscape, and professionals who invest in learning these skills today will lead tomorrow innovations. Start with strong foundation, progress through data engineering and ML core concept, and embrace ML ops for production. Explore generative AI and adopt responsible AI practice to ensure ethical and secure deployment.